Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Glory Days by the Vamps. Alright. So make sure your capo is on fret number 2, and we're using basic chords to play this. So our first chord will be a C, okay? Then D minor, A minor, and then F. So that's what you're playing for the chorus. And these are all glory days. These are all glory days. These are all glory days. This is what you're playing for the verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus. It's just C, D minor, A minor, and then F. Alright? Now if you're not familiar with these chords, you can check out my chord video. It has a detailed illustration of the chords, how to hold them, and then you can come back to this video for your progressions.